Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 14.5.1 is out now. Today in this video we will discuss about the latest version of iOS. iOS 14.5 includes the option to unlock iPhone with Apple Watch while wearing a face mask. If we tap on learn more, that we have a lot of option in iOS 14.5. Unlock iPhone with Apple Watch, AirTag and Find My improvement, new emojis, Siri, privacy, Apple Music, and lot of things. If we are talking about space or modem version, videos are 23, photos 403, application 24, capacity 64 GB, available 43.14, and after updating iOS, let's see what changes are going on. And if we are talking about the modem firmware is 8.40.01. Now we are going to download and install latest version of iOS, then we see what changes is going on. So let's start the downloading and installation process, and we will be right back to you. Upgrading process will be finished. Now we have iOS 14.5.1 in our iOS device. Let's see what changes we have right now. First of all, if we are talking about modem firmware, before we have 8.40.01, and after upgrading, now we have 8.52.01. Mean modem firmware is also upgrade for better speed on cellular data. And if you are talking about the capacity, before we have available 43.14 GB, capacity 64 GB, and after upgradation, let's see what we have. Now we have 42.99 GB and application 23, photos 408, and there is a almost 500 MB difference after the upgradation. That's it. Hopefully friends, you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.